下一站係單程車票或確認嘅八達通卡有效乘車時間為2小時。使用預時車票將會被檢控。Next stop is Busan. This next stop is the next time of each ride is synchronized for an opposite 3 hours. Passengers using side ticket traveling on light rail are liable to a surcharge.
我是带亲过来的，我这里两个人看男朋友，依家在一起，干嘛有了小孩子，
景住健身。